Hello everyone. Today I'm presenting Brainstem.Health Ocean Shipyard grant number 2, milestone number 1. Here on the left side we see the wristband that Brainstem.Health produced. You can collect data with it, which Mike, the CTO, did. And so this data gets then sent to a mobile app, and in the mobile app you have wallet. So we also put down the wallet address, a public key, here underneath the mobile app, and then the user, in this case Mike, can share his data to another wallet, and that's basically what we want to show here. So first we create the data share.
So I think I've got enough data, but we can start again. So yeah, now I
should be seeing something.
You should see something now, yeah.
Now there's a new one. So like that's the one from today. So like this is the recording that you created today. So like 7th of July. So this is good. Okay, so then we have this one. And basically now you can then also create the data share for this.
So this is the one which we have just uploaded, yeah. And I'm going to create a new data share. So you can see that I'm pressing create new data share.
A few moments later.
Do you think this can be speeded up, or is it just a feature of the way that it's?
For example, no, it isn't.
Yeah, it is. So we can't speed up this because it's just the Ocean protocol process.
Got it. Okay.
If we would not create a new data NFT every time, it would have a lot.
So it's making a new NFT each time it's sharing data. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm. And theoretically, we could just like use if you have one already, we could just reuse that. But okay, can you paste the link?
Yeah. So I'm going to paste the link to
the data set, the data NFT created to access the data. So this was now created on behalf of Mike here by DataUnion. And so like you can look here, this is Mike's account. He already created 31 data NFTs and has now four sales. And every time somebody accesses the data set, it's going to be so we can also check this later after he shares the link. And now if we go here into the database, we can also see that now we have to see a new entry. Where is it? 7777. 77. So like here we have this one, right? So this is the one that was created today. Okay, good. Yeah, so like this is basically the entry of the data share that it exists, and now this basically is then here in our representation of this DID, and that's the one 5882. Then this basically is now in the backend, so it can continue to do things here with it. Okay, now we created the data share, and we sent it with the link. We're sending an invitation to the other person, using then this invitation link. Basically, in the mobile app, we'll then query the backend and ask it, hey, I have the link. Can I now get access to the data? And that will mint a data token for the user and send it to the user so that it can be used to consume the data. And that's what we're going to look at next. But we already showed that basically this is then also tracked in the Ocean marketplace, and it integrates also with Ocean solution. Okay, now I'm accepting the data share from Mike.
Right.
A few moments later.
Cool. Now I have it. All right, that's cool. So I can display the chart. Nice.
There you go.
Okay. Back, display chart. And that, but this is basically is also this other, and so like display data. So this is the data from today, basically.
Yeah, so at the moment you can only see charts, but you're going to be able to see the metrics as well.
There's a lot of data. Okay, good. No, but this, okay, it has the same data 3 times. But the sharing definitely works. So like that's something.
Yeah.
But so
I mean,
we
I have to
bas-
obviously put the
but these
metrics in there.
charts are generated from the data. So like the data is now on my device. It's not just the picture being sent to the device. So like it's actually the real data, right?
Exactly. And then what we can create from that is a report, which we will do for the sleep. I don't think he's done. It's not finished yet, but essentially we would like to create a more sophisticated, advanced report for a physician, which looks at that heart rate during sleep.
Like here on this page now, we should see is now you have 5 sales. So Mike, your congratulations, you did another sale of your data. So like in the ocean ecosystem, you have now you have now sold it. And so like here it says it's free. So but if I'm ordering this asset, let's check what I will get. Jan, you put a placeholder in here, right? So like you can buy the data assets here over the marketplace. I'm downloading it now.
It's just a placeholder.
Yeah,
it's not actual data. Yeah.
And I think that's also important to see. So that basically now I bought it from there and I get through Apple large red. So you can download it, but and you can it's a usable data NFT. But actually, what we're doing with it is different than just offering it here on the marketplace. We use it to share data, but it still counts as a sale. So this concludes our journey and the milestone for Brainstem.Health. Here we can see we shared the data. We were able to use the data share and the data token over the data NFT to basically get the consent of the user and then use this consent data token to access the data, which happens over the Brainstem and DataUnion Health data cloud. But all the consent and the spending has been documented on the blockchain. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.